Menu presentation. Excuse me, sir. Here is our food menu and drink menu for you, sir. Please take your time to look them over.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I pour you the ice water, please?
Sure, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like some bread? This evening, we have bagel and muffin. Which one would like, sir?
Muffin, please, thank you.
All right, sir. Here is your muffin, and please enjoy it. Excuse me, sir. May I have your attention, please? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anna, and I'll be your server this evening.
Hello, Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir. I'd also like to let you know about our daily specials. Today's special is grilled salmon served with lemon butter sauce and seasonal vegetables.
That sounds nice.
We also have a promotion on our drinks tonight. Our fresh mango juice and iced lemon tea are available at a special price.
Great.
If you enjoy dessert, our homemade chocolate lava cake is highly recommended today.
I'll keep that in mind.
Wonderful. Please let me know if you have any questions about the menu or need recommendations, and if you have any food allergies or dietaries, please let me know. I will be very happy to help you.
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I'll be back shortly to take your order. Enjoy reviewing the menu.